Many congratulations to Taxsutra, Law Street India, and the entire team for celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav in a very novel way. And I'm glad that they thought of me and invited me to speak on evolution of corporate law and jurisprudence in India. At the outset, I would like to say that corporate law in India has been modeled on English law. The Companies Act 1862 was the first statute to bear the title of Companies Act. A lot of current corporate requirements as we see today were established by this act, like the MOA and AOA were required for registration of a company. Provisions for winding up were also incorporated, and any change to the MOA's object clauses was barred at that point of time. The essential structure of the corporation, as we all know today, had taken shape with the Companies Act of 1862. Thereafter, even after independence, the major piece of corporate legislation, which is the Companies Act of 1956, was built after the English Companies Act of 1948. Although the Companies Act of 1956 was the outcome of a traditional legal transplant, its subsequent history went a different path and trajectory altogether. Due to the changing local conditions and difficulties particular to the Indian business sector, constant modifications to the Act were required. Furthermore, Indian courts refused to recognize English decisions unless the legal concepts were adjusted and adapted to meet the requirements of Indian culture and economic reality. With India's economic liberalization in 1991, the disparity between Indian corporate law and its English counterpart became more and more apparent. With the growth of foreign investment and the development of India's capital markets, the focus of corporate law moved beyond the Companies Act of 1956 to securities regularization and regulations, leading to the birth of securities regulator, that is the SEBI as we know today. While certain English laws remained in force during this period, the Indian Parliament and the regulators began to look to other jurisdictions such as the United States for inspiration for legal changes, or they engaged in soul searching to develop personalized answer to India's particular difficulties. The 2013 legislation of the Companies Act is the outcome of over 2 decades of debate and discussions, as well as a reaction to corporate law and governance issues that afflicted India in that period. India has progressed from a cumbersome bureaucratic system governed by a plethora of statutes such as Sikh Industrial Companies Act and the related acts, which were then formulated and compiled into a single insolvency resolution process that we see today. And accordingly, legislation was introduced in 2016 as Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code with the purpose of resolving insolvency concerns in a timely way. The IBC has been a game changer of sorts in the realm of economic legislations, as by putting in place a comprehensive one-stop shop for insolvency resolution, it has paved the way for ease of exit in case of honest business failure. India has successfully shown that despite making an attempt of attracting businesses in the country and relaxing the norms, the country is not letting the necessary requirements in terms of honest statutory compliance take a back seat and is constantly taking strict measures against avoidance and non-compliance. Accordingly, the government has struck down more than 3.8 lakh companies till financial year 2021. The Indian government has always been welcoming to setting up of industries and businesses in the country from all around the world, and the scheme of Make in India is one such example, which is attracting worldwide investments and has coincided and has coincided with certain relaxations provided to investors in terms of regulations and clearances, thereby leading to improvement in India's ranking from 142nd position in 2014 to 63rd position in 2022 in the ease of doing business index. With all this, the country is on a steady path of growth and more than ready to achieve greater heights. The introduction of new legislations and amendments in the existing provisions show that we are progressing altogether as a nation towards a common goal of development in a clean and efficient environment. With this talk, I would like to end my comments here, and I wish all the very best to Taxsutra, Law Street India, and the entire team for all their present and future endeavors. Thank you very much. Thank you.